Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to use Subdivision Surface Modifier in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use Monkey Suzanne. So we can go to Add, Merge, and add Monkey Suzanne here. Close up to it. And I want to show the geometry. I go to Viewport Overlays and check the box wireframe to show the geometry with wireframe. And then we can select the object and go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. And go to Generate, we can find Subdivision Surface Modifier. Click it to add it. Next, we can customize the setting. For example, we can change the number of levels viewport from 0 to 1 and 2 and 3. If you want to preview the geometry, we can uncheck the box Optimal Display to preview the geometry. Uncheck the box here. If you want to remove Subdivision Surface Modifier, we can click the cross button to remove it. Actually, we have the shortcuts to add Subdivision Surface Modifier. Make sure that we select the object and then press Ctrl 1, 2, and 3, and 4 or 5. Press Ctrl 0 to go back to 0. And use Ctrl 2. And then if you want to apply it, we can click the small arrow and click Apply to apply Subdivision Surface Modifier. So this is how we can use Subdivision Surface Modifier in Blender with shortcuts. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.